Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get this amazing secret app store to your Fire Stick or Android TV. Inside, it's got thousands of applications which are not available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And there are all kinds of apps. Movie apps, TV shows, live sports, IPTV, as well as spicy apps for grown-ups only, if you know what I mean. Here I just had to blur out my screen because YouTube doesn't allow me to show you the exact apps available in this app store, but in your case, of course, it's not gonna be blurry. And now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get this amazing app to your Fire TV stick. And the first step you gotta take is get the app code downloader to your Fire Stick. You can actually get downloader free of charge from your official Amazon App Store. To do so, just go to search on your Fire Stick, and now in the search bar, you'll have to start typing downloader. And as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So you will click on it, and that's the app that you gotta get to your Fire TV stick. But after you get downloader, it's not over yet, because you still have to set it up. So now in order to actually set up downloader, you have to go to the settings by clicking on that button with a gear icon. After that, you scroll down until you see My Fire TV. Open it. And from here, you'll have to turn on developer options on your Fire Stick. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote, and do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case, and in your case it is going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which now have popped out for us right here. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go to install on apps. And from here, all you have to do is locate downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally, let's go to the list of apps on your Fire Stick. Here it is, we open it up, and there's the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Fire Stick. But before actually using downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to New Zealand right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video, or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use downloader safely. So we go straight back to the list of apps on your Fire Stick. Let's open it up and then head straight to downloader. And when the downloader opens, what you have to do is open that search bar right here and start entering the link. So the link will be applinked.store. So let's enter that together. Once again, it's applinked. Dot store. Here you go, just enter the link as you can see, and do not make any mistakes, because obviously if you make a mistake, then that code is not going to work for you. After that, you have to click on go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you will get even more content about Firesticks. And now when this website opens, you have to click on download app link right here. So click on download, and now the download of the app is going to start. Usually it doesn't take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. In my case, I got a pretty fast connection, so it takes us only a couple of seconds. And then you click on install and wait for the app to finish installing to your Firestick. And after it is installed, do not click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way you'll have an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Firestick device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And now when you go to the list of apps on your Firestick, you will open it, and there's the alternative app store which we downloaded. But before using it, we gotta go to settings one more time, go back to my Fire TV and open it again. From here, just like previously, go to developer options, install on apps, and this time you have to locate app linked and turn that option on. So what it does is going to allow you to use app linked to download other applications from the internet. And that's exactly what we are going to do right now. So we go back to the list of apps on your Firestick, select app linked, and now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way the app is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be pretty easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. Then feel free to open that app, and when it opens, click OK, and basically from here what you're gonna do is you can either go to public stores, and there you'll see all kinds of apps, or scroll down a little bit and there you'll see app categories such as live streaming, movies and TV shows, games, sports, utilities, and so on. Let's say you open the live streaming, and from here you get access to a lot of applications which are live sports related. Once again, I just had to blur out my screen because YouTube doesn't allow me to show you the exact app available here, but in your case, of course, the screen is not going to be blurry. So you just select the app that you are interested in, select it, and then follow the steps to download this app to your Firestick device. Alternatively, you can go back and instead of live streaming, just select movies and TV shows or games, and select any of the games that you want for your Firestick. And yeah, your Firestick can actually run some games. It works better, of course, if you connect a Bluetooth controller to your Firestick instead of the usual remote. So today, learn how to get this secret alternative app store to your Firestick. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.